Hey guys, welcome to this AirTag tutorial, and here I'll detail how to turn off lost mode on Apple Airtag. So if you misplaced your Apple Airtag and you enabled lost mode, now is the time to disable it because you found your items or your item has been returned by a good Samaritan. Then here I'm going to quickly walk you through how you can easily disable or turn off lost mode on your Apple Airtag. So if I don't know this, you found this up informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now you need to grab your iPhone and make sure both your iPhone and your Apple Airtag appear together if you want to turn off lost mode on your Airtag. Now, once you grab your iPhone, just go ahead and search for Find My. And if you have access to the Find My application on your iPhone home screen, just go ahead and click on it. Or better still, click on the Spotlight section and search for Find My. Then click on it. So once you open Find My, you're going to see People. Then just scroll through the navigation and locate Items. Then click on that. Once located items, you see your Apple Airtag name here, and once you see this lock, that means that your Apple Airtag lost mode is enabled. Now to disable this, just click on the Apple Airtag item name and then scroll down the page. Locate lost mode, and then underneath if you see enabled, click on enabled. Then once you see enabled, go ahead and tap turn off lost mode. Then if you see a pop that says your contact information and message will be removed, just go ahead and click on turn off. Then hang on while your Apple Airtag lost mode is being disabled. Then once that is done, then you're good to go. Then you can see the key here has been removed. That shows the lost mode has been turned off on your iPhone. So that is basically how to turn off Apple Airtag lost mode. So if you found this informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.